Hi guys, my name is Jonathan King. A little brief background on myself. I grew up in National City, California. Um, for high school, I went to Bonita Vista High School located in Chula Vista. I was a two-sport athlete playing baseball and football. After graduating from high school, I went to Southwestern College. It's a community college located in Chula Vista. From there, I ended up getting a football scholarship to Azusa Pacific University located in Azusa, California, near Los Angeles. Um, from there, I got my degree, my bachelor's degree in applied exercise science. During my time there, I actually interned at Citrus Valley Hospital in their cardiac and pulmonary rehabilitation clinic. Right after graduation, I moved back to San Diego, where I started interning at Scripps La Jolla in their cardiac and pulmonary rehabilitation clinic. Though I loved it working with patients, it just wasn't for me. During that time, I was actually substitute teaching. And so it was then that I realized that teaching was what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And so after about a year and a half of substitute teaching, I applied for the SSU credential program, and here I am today. Um, so I'm currently teaching at Valhalla High School, ninth grade physical education, which I'm loving, absolutely loving right now. Um, I got into teaching for a multitude of reasons. One was to actually make a difference and an impact in students' life. Um, as I substitute taught, I saw that a lot of students were going through a lot of issues, whether that be at home, whether that be with their friends, or even just in the classroom with different teachers. I knew that I wanted to make an impact in students' life, giving them opportunity, a chance to succeed at life. Um, and so as I'm teaching today, I'm trying my best to succeed in that area. I'm looking forward to growing and developing as a teacher, um, and learning as much as possible from my professors. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.